Type KIDSCOPE.AI in search bar. Sign up, create account, enter your name, email and password. Now, log in with the registered email and password. You can also directly sign up with Google. After login, enter your kid's details. All details are compulsory to better know about the kid. After entering kids' details, enter kids' academic details. Upload kids' previous exams mark sheets. You can also enter marks manually. Fill out at least the last 3 exam mark sheets or the last 3 years of academic details. Submit all academic details. After this, the last step is to give answers to a few questions related to your kid. After submitting all the details, you get a personalized report of your kid. This unique report is all about your kid's overall personality. You can use agentic AI chatbot, Saarthi, to know more about your kid. And also for parenting. Saarthi gives you the answer to every question related to your kid. No more guessing, understand your kid deeply with KIDSCOPE.AI. Visit KIDSCOPE.AI, generate weekly kids report, and ask Saarthi for a better understanding of your kid. Happy parenting!